Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we have something truly remarkable to talk about. A vehicle that is not just a mode of transport, but a moving luxury residence. The all-new Prevost Motorhome 2026. When you hear the word motorhome, you might picture a large RV designed for long trips, but Prevost has taken that concept to a completely new level. This is not simply a home on wheels, it is a combination of engineering excellence, comfort, performance, and prestige. The 2026 model represents the brand's dedication to pushing boundaries and giving its customers the ultimate travel experience. The exterior of the Prevost Motorhome 2026 immediately demands attention. At first glance, it stands tall, long, and commanding on the road, almost like a luxury yacht on wheels. The design has been refined to balance sleek aerodynamics with a sense of grandeur. The front fascia is bold with LED headlamps that integrate seamlessly into the wide chrome grille, giving it a modern but strong face. The side profile is smooth with flush-mounted windows and premium body panels that are crafted to reduce drag, while looking incredibly stylish. The designers have also given attention to fine details such as metallic accents, chrome finishes, and a color palette that includes deep blacks, pearl whites, silvers, and even custom luxury shades. Large luggage compartments along the sides are neatly tucked in, offering practicality without disturbing the elegance of the body. This is the kind of motorhome that looks just as good pulling into a luxury resort as it does parked on a cross-country journey. Moving inside, the Prevost Motorhome 2026 is a world of its own. Step through the electric entry door and you are greeted with an interior that rivals the finest luxury apartments. The cabin is spacious, open, and filled with high-end materials. The floor is finished in polished wood or marble-like ceramic, depending on the configuration, while the seating is wrapped in premium leather with intricate stitching. Every surface feels rich, from the brushed aluminum accents to the soft touch. Panels and ambient lighting that can be customized to suit your mood. The living area is designed with both comfort and functionality in mind. You get large sofas, a retractable smart TV, and even a fireplace option for that ultimate cozy feeling. The kitchen is fully equipped with top-grade appliances, including a convection oven, induction cooktop, refrigerator, and luxury cabinets with soft-close technology. The dining space feels like a high-end restaurant, with a proper dining table and chairs rather than the compact setups you often see in RVs. The bedroom is where the Prevost Motorhome really shines. It offers a king-size bed with a premium mattress, underbed storage, and panoramic windows with automatic blinds. The lighting is soft and relaxing, creating an atmosphere perfect for unwinding after a long day. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a large shower with glass doors, a vanity with solid surface countertops, and even heated flooring to add that touch of five-star luxury. Storage space has been smartly integrated throughout the interior, so you never feel like you're compromising while living on the road. Technology plays a major role inside this motorhome too. The Prevost 2026 comes with a smart control system that allows you to manage climate, lighting, security, and entertainment from a central touchscreen or even from your smartphone. Wi-Fi connectivity, satellite TV, and premium sound systems are all included to make sure you're always connected and entertained. Performance is another area where Prevost stands apart. The 2026 motorhome is built on a proven Prevost chassis that delivers durability and smooth handling even at its massive size. Under the hood, it is powered by a robust and efficient diesel engine designed to provide strong torque and reliability for long-distance travel. Despite its weight, the motorhome drives with remarkable stability thanks to an advanced suspension system that minimizes body roll and keeps the ride smooth. Air suspension adjusts automatically depending on road conditions, which makes highway cruising effortless and city maneuvering less intimidating. Safety has also been prioritized with driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras. This ensures not only a comfortable but also a secure driving experience. Fuel efficiency has been improved compared to earlier generations, making the 2026 model more eco-friendly while still powerful enough to tow additional cargo if needed. Noise insulation has been enhanced as well, meaning that even when the engine is working hard, the interior remains quiet and peaceful. For a motorhome of this scale, it is impressive how smooth and confident it feels on the road. Now let's talk about the price, because a vehicle of this caliber doesn't come cheap. The Prevost Motorhome 2026 starts around $1.5 million and can easily exceed $2 million depending on customizations and luxury options.